forged with refined steel. The techniques of Japanese swords reside. Osaka's Sakai Cutlery, Uchi Hamono. It is said that approximately 90% of professional chefs use its sharpness. Known for its distinctive sharpness, the vivid cutting edge does not crush the cells of the material, extracting the umami, the essence of deliciousness, to the utmost. Nowadays, Japanese knives, Wa-bocho, have become the coveted tools of chefs worldwide. Sakai City in Osaka Prefecture, dotted with many ancient burial mounds, aspiring to become World Heritage Sites. Notable among them are Japan's largest keyhole-shaped burial mound, the Nintoku Emperor's Burial Mound. Sakai has been a town of blades for 600 years, producing various knives tailored to ingredients and uses. Here, knives for eels are crafted with various shapes based on different cutting methods, such as back and belly cuts. Another specialty originating from Sakai is the deba-bocho, deba knife, which uses thickness and a sharp edge to cut through bones. Sakai Cutlery knives are crafted through the processes of forging, blade sharpening, and honing. In the tradition of a 120-year-old blacksmith workshop, Master Blacksmith Yusuke Tanaka, with 50 years of experience, and 5th generation Yoshihisa, pouring one's soul into knives.
和食を支えてるやっぱり道具やと思ってますね。
The knife presented here is crafted by Mr. Tanaka, featuring a multi-layered construction of steel and base metal called suminagashi, highlighting its beauty. Sushi chefs, using Tanaka's knives, consider them an integral part of their skill.
切り身に魚に艶が出る、それが一番いいと思う。
僕らやっぱあんまり力入れたらあかんからね、包丁だけはスッと切れるやつだ、その魚の脂が残って味が美味しくなるからね。何でも力入れたら品物悪くなるから、味が落ちるしね。
Facing the flames, there are young individuals preserving tradition. One such cutlery blacksmith, Yusuke Okugami.
料理人さんに認めてもらえるっていうのはすごくハードルが高いことだと思うので、一本一本品質はすごくいいものを作ろうっていうのは日々思っています。
Born in Sennan, Osaka, Okugami had an interest in craftsmanship from a young age. He attended a university in Kyoto, where he came into contact with traditional culture, kindling his desire to become a bladesmith. During the recruitment for successors to the Sakai industry, he was tutored by Master Tanaka. After 3 years as a bladesmith, he understands the common saying that
やっぱりこう一人前10年っていうのがすごく一般的に言われてると思うんですけど、入る前は教えないから10年かかるんじゃないか、やりだしたらもっと早いんじゃないかと思ってたんですけど、実際やり始めると10年以上もっとかかるなと、自分が目指してるのはもっと先にあるので10年では全然足りないんじゃないかなと思ってます。
Continuing to unravel the secrets of sharpness.